Welcome to our channel KidsLore TV.
Hello, kids! Welcome to our amazing adventure of animals. Today, we're learning about animals whose names start with the letter K. Are you ready to explore? Let's go! Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. Can you say kangaroo? Koala. K is for koala. Can you say koala? King cobra. K is for king cobra. Can you say king cobra? Kiwi bird. K is for kiwi bird. Can you say kiwi bird? Komodo dragon. K is for Komodo dragon. Can you say Komodo dragon? Kudu. K is for kudu. Can you say kudu? Koi fish. K is for koi fish. Can you say koi fish? Kakapo. K is for kakapo. Can you say kakapo? Kingfisher. K is for kingfisher. Can you say kingfisher? Katydid. K is for katydid. Can you say katydid? Killer whale. K is for killer whale. Can you say killer whale? Koel. K is for koel. Can you say koel? Kestrel. K is for kestrel. Can you say kestrel? Kiwa crab. K is for kiwa crab. Can you say kiwa crab? Fantastic job, everyone! We've learned so many cool animals starting with the letter K. Keep exploring and have fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next one. Subscribe, please.